Okay, so the one from the last class was, let me just find it. It's about jewelry, remember. It says, Shalom Kodav, are we allowed to use Fox jewelry? Fox as EFAUX.
Yeah, fake. Yeah.
They look beautiful and cost little. And the money saved could be put in more worthy deed. However, I am concerned if those are count as deception or falsehood.
Oh, that's an amazing question. It's very interesting. Very interesting. So the other people see it. So my mom has it. Many jewelry like that. She paid I don't know on eBay $1.78, including shipping from China. Right, but it looks like I don't know, like for $18,000. I don't know. I'm not sure how much jewelry, but it's very expensive. I don't know. Is it real stones, real silver? I don't know. It sells. I don't know. But very little money, but looks very good. So, but other people think that it's a lot. So let them think that is a lot. It's not. I'm not selling them. So if I would sell them, yes. So of course I have to tell them the truth. I got it from internet for $1.78, including shipping. So that's I would have to tell them. But otherwise, no. I mean, they in their sick mind they already decided how much it was. So let them decide. Of course, there's no problem. There's no problem whatsoever. Right? It's, I mean, for me it's like a waste of money, like to pay like for a real jewelry. If you can get it for cheaper, and it's so my wife showed me like this eBay like auction, like it's so cheap and such a good quality. It's not like plastic. No, such a good quality. Maybe some of them are plastic, but this plastic looks like very, very good. Okay, so there is no problem. So we're not allowed to sell, but you're allowed to wear, and it's beautiful. Yes. Yes.
What happens when there are brands involved in this whole issue of the fake things? Let's say buying a fake Rolex or something like that. Would that be okay? Like so, giving this person that is like manufacturing these fake things, like giving him money, that would be okay.
So that's the problem. That's the problem. Actually, we learned it in this class, in the morning class today, and the topic was stealing from a thief. It's not allowed to steal from a thief. So the person who steals from a thief is a thief. So you're not allowed to buy from a thief. You understand? So this counterfeiting, this Rolex, it's you're buying from a thief. So we're not allowed. So and if you know that it's a fake, so I would say you would not be allowed to wear it. Why? Because it was stolen from that company. So in some sense. Of course, that person who bought it, like in my days, long time ago, when we first went to the city, to Manhattan, there were like these people with a briefcase, and they would open even Rolex, and I did not know what Rolex is. So there is I don't know, one of my relatives explained it's the most expensive watches, like I don't know, like, that's what he told me, and he wants one at $25. It's a good price. We're talking about many years ago. I don't know how much they cost now, but watches like regular were like $5, but this was $25 with all of the diamonds, with all the shiny, like you understand. But of course, the person who would buy this Rolex for $25 would not go to the store and buy for $25,000. Right, but still, it's actually you're stealing from them. So it doesn't matter. You put their name, you steal from their brand, so not allowed. And it's actually the halacha from today. We learned in the morning class. So it says if somebody bought from a thief, like known thief. So and the owner comes, identify the items, so he get it from the last guy who bought it from the thief, and nobody has to recompense him. He cannot even sue the thief that he stole him the stolen merchandise. Why? Because it was obvious he's a thief. Like, you normal? You buy it from the thief? Of course, most likely it is stolen. You understand? That's very interesting. Okay. What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Yeah, but this jewelry, they do not come. I mean, maybe there is some design that is stolen. I'm not sure, but they maybe it's like combination of the design. There is no, I don't know. So this fake jewelry, for me, they look very good. I'm not a big expert, but they look very beautiful. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.